Hi, I'm Megan, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Snow Fluff using shaving cream, corn flour and food colouring. So we do this experiment with children so they can explore their fine motor skills, so that is gripping, manoeuvring the dough, mixing things together. We also get them to observe the shaving cream mixing with the corn flour as it releases into the bubbles and comes together. So let's get started. So first step is we use our corn flour. So I've already pre-measured it out, so you just need 1 cup of corn flour. You just tip it in the bowl. Let's get it all out. And then your second step is you get your shaving foam. It's also 1 cup, so you just measure it out. So just over a cup. You just scoop it in like that. Get your child to pick their favourite colour. I'm sticking with green. And you just do about 5 drops. It doesn't matter if you go a little bit over. And then you mix it all together. So this is a fun step where your children get involved and mix it through their fingers. I'm wearing gloves, but your children don't need to. I just don't want to end up with dyed hands. And then you just get them to mix it around. Get them to filter it through their fingers. So this is where you use the language of squishing, poking, filtering it through your fingers. You can also ask them what does it feel like. Is it cold? Is it slippery? Sometimes they can even smell the fragrance in the shaving foam. So you can ask them what it smells like. So you just keep mixing it. It will take a bit to mix through and it is quite messy, but the children love mess. So they will love this activity. If needed, add more shaving foam until you see how it's starting to make like a dough mixture as it glues together. And from this stage, this is when the fun starts. So the children have the opportunity to explore the texture even more. They can make objects just like they do with Play-Doh. You can ask them to create things, so you might be able to get them to make a circle or even a ball. They could make, put it down and press imprints in there, and that's as simple as it is to make Snow Fluff.